Hey guys, welcome back to Beauty and the Grinds. I hope that you're having a fantastic day. I am going to be talking about hyaluronic acid tonight. Now, this is a review for the moisturizing serum from the Vitamin Shop. It is a fantastic little product that I think is going to be very good for the majority of people moving into fall and winter, but this is a serum that can be used all year round. So if you'd like to hear more about hyaluronic acid, how it can improve your skin, what it can do for you, and even hear the review on this particular product, then please keep watching. So if you are part of my community or you caught last week's video, you will know that I reviewed a lip scrub from Revlon. Reviews are something that I love doing on my channel. So if you have a request for a review or a certain product, please note it down below and I'll do my best to make that video happen. Also, if you'd like to see more content like this, please subscribe and hit the bell notifier so you always know when I post something new. So tonight's topic is about hyaluronic acid and the benefits that it can do for your skin. Now, if you are new to the skincare world or you just don't know what hyaluronic acid is, basically hyaluronic acid in a short term is a mega hydrator for the body. Our body naturally produces it. When we are young, it helps to cultivate collagen and elastin, gives us that supple skin. And as we age and we get closer to the more mature years, hyaluronic acid actually becomes depleted in our body, which is a great reason for why we should take it as an internal supplement. But our focus tonight is going to be on a topical supplement in the form of a serum. Now, before we get started, I do like to say, since we are referring to the skin today, that I am a licensed esthetician. I've been a licensed esthetician for 8 years. So these opinions are coming from a schooled point of view and not just, a flippant point of view. So this product claims to rejuvenate, restore, and moisturize your skin. It comes in at about $6. You can find it at the Vitamin Shop. You can even purchase it from thevitaminshop.com. The reason that I am bringing this to you today is because there are a lot of products that contain hyaluronic acid in their ingredients panel. There are some dedicated serums such as this one, and I have found that this is a great, affordable, anti-aging skincare that a lot of people can use. It's not going to break the bank, and it gives you a nice idea of what hyaluronic acid can do for your skin. So hyaluronic acid, just to give you guys a short little description, binds 4,000 times its weight in water, which means it's extremely hydrating for the skin, but it is not a congesting ingredient. So if you have congested skin or if you have oily skin, this is not going to lend itself to breakouts. It's also not going to make you more oily. What its main job is to maintain your lipid barrier or your acid mantle and keep that impaired so that your skin stays balanced. When you have a balanced skin, your skin reacts and does the things that it's supposed to, such as non-inflammation, non-redness, no flakiness, and even will help cut down on congestion, because sometimes breakouts and things are caused from your acid mantle being impaired. Maybe it's broken, maybe it's being overstripped. And this product's job is to help maintain that skin integrity. The other thing too that it will do is it will maintain the collagen and the elastin that you already have. So no, it's not going to create more collagen. It's not going to create more elasticity. It's going to maintain it. And that's what a lot of skincare products do, is they help to maintain what we already have. But because this is in the form of a serum and it's concentrated hyaluronic acid, you're getting a more potent form of it, and it's going to go a little bit deeper into the epidermis than just a basic moisturizer. So the difference between using a moisturizer that has hyaluronic acid in it and using a serum that's dedicated with hyaluronic acid is the potency of the ingredient. When you are looking for a strict hyaluronic acid, you want to make sure that it is the fourth ingredient. So for instance, this has water, glycerin, propanediol, I don't think I'm saying that right, and then it has hyaluronic acid. So hyaluronic acid is the fourth ingredient, which means it's concentrated in this serum. When you see hyaluronic acid in a moisturizer, it might be in the middle of the ingredients panel towards the end of the ingredients panel. And so you're getting a very small amount of hyaluronic acid. It may be used to just further moisturize the skin without clogging the pores. It could be used to bump up those anti-aging ingredients in an anti-aging moisturizer. So the way that this works is you are going to just take a pump. Now, I'm letting you all know right now it is extremely runny. So as soon as I apply this to my fingers, it's literally going to run. but I'm gonna do my best. Move my coffee out of the way. I'm gonna do my best to show it to you. So you can see it running down my hand, and it's just a fluid. This has no silicone properties in it. This is a serum that you use on your face. You can use it day and night. It's not going to increase, the effects of the sun on your skin. It's not going to irritate your skin if you have sensitive skin, reactive skin, rosacea skin conditions, acne skin conditions, whether you're dry and dehydrated, oily, or combination. This is a serum that pretty much works for every single skin type and person, mainly because hyaluronic acid is bioidentifiable, especially when it's natural. Now, the things from the vitamin shop are non-GMO, they're natural and plant sourced. So this doesn't have any fatty acids from animal in it. It's cruelty free and it's vegan. So when your skin cells sense the product on the skin, they go, "Ooh, we know what this is and we know what to do with it." And so it's absorbed and it's used. It will absorb very quickly into the skin, which is why it's a dream to use under makeup. If you are a serum user, please let me know. Put a comment in the comments thread down below. I'd love to know. If you're a serum user, then you know that there are just certain serums that don't work well under makeup. They make our makeup kind of pill. They'll separate the makeup. They'll cause breakthrough. It's just not super glamorous. So this is definitely a serum that can be worn under makeup. Now, my personal experience with this product is that I was dehydrated. So my suffering skin conditions are, I have combination skin. My T-zone can be oily and also dehydrated, which means flaky at the same time. And I've noticed over the last couple months that my skin was just really dehydrated. So I was like, I've got to find a vitamin for it, like a concentrated vitamin for it. And that's what this serum is. It's almost like a vitamin that you apply topically to your skin. I've been using it now for over a month, and from first use, because I use a lot of retinol products, which will cause some dehydration on the skin, and that's to control my acne and help with aging and things like that. But when I applied this, I immediately saw results overnight. My skin just looked rejuvenated when I woke up in the morning. It felt a little bit more supple. It didn't look as tired and worn. That's my experience with it. That's my personal experience. Because I do use serums, like I am a serum user, I have multiple ones that I rotate with. So I usually use this at night in combination with my retinol. So here are some closing key points. Hyaluronic acid is meant to maintain your acid mantle. It helps to restore, rejuvenate, and hydrate your skin. It will give you some UVA and UVB defense against the sun. It has no fragrance. It's inexpensive. This can be combined with any moisturizer that you currently have. It will work with any skincare regimen that you currently have. It literally just pops itself into the middle of your skincare routine and says, "Hey, look at me, I'm wonderful." It absorbs very quickly. It can be worn under makeup, and it really does leave your skin feeling refreshed. It's a perfect companion to your skincare regimen, and it works great for all skin types, no matter what skin type you have or even skin condition. And if you do have eczema or you do have psoriasis, you have congested skin or even really oily skin, hyaluronic acid serum might help give your skin some recovery and even heal it. So I hope that if there's anyone watching this, if you have any questions in particular about it, or you can leave a comment in the comments thread and I will get back to you because I do read my comments. Thank you for spending your evening with me and participating in this video. I really appreciate it. If you love this video, please don't forget to give it a like, especially if you want to see more content like this. Subscribe, be part of the community, hit the bell notifier. That way you don't miss anything and you always know when I'm posting something new. I do post new videos every Monday. So last week I posted a review on the Revlon exfoliating lip balm, which is fantastic. If you would like to see it, I'll pop it up over here. Next week, I believe I'm going to be launching a makeup look. I haven't decided yet, but it was requested. All my social media handles will be in the description box. I'd love for you to join the community over there. It's a great way to connect. I do a lot of things on my Instagram daily, so it's a way to kind of peep in and see the upcoming information that I may be sharing over here on YouTube. However, I do special things over there, such as going live every Sunday. I share a lot of things in my Insta story, but I also create some IGTV videos. So if you are loving this red ruby lip with the glitter gold in it, that tutorial is actually on my Instagram page under the IGTV community button, and it's the red glitter lips. So if that's something that you would love to see and you want to get a little bit more exclusive content, I would encourage you to join one of my other social media communities. I hope that you guys are having a fantastic night wherever you are, and I will see you all next week. Bye guys. And if you'd like me to do a separate video on how to maintain and take care of your skincare, please put that in the comments thread and let me know if you'd be interested in it.